Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we're going to take a look at the Ceeniu air freshener. This is going to be model CF12 Pro. It looks like a really nice little canister that you would put in your cup holder, but how does it work? Well, we're going to go over it and I'm going to show you basically how this thing operates. It's going to come in a nice box like this, so if you want to gift it, it is perfect for gifting. And when you get it, it's going to have some protective films over it. You're going to want to pull those off. And let me get this one off the side. I like that because they protect everything so that it looks nice and pretty and fresh when you get it and you have no problems. So you're going to get the unit. You are going to get a USB-A to a USB-C power cord. And you are going to get a bottle of cologne. And you're also going to get a little manual. Now I will tell you, the one thing, if I have any gripe on any of it, is probably the size of the print on the manual. I always hate these little ones that do not have good print, and this one is very small. I had to use a magnifying glass to read it. But that being said, once you've done this once or you watch this video, you're probably not even going to need this. So you're going to have that. They give you a quick little card that you can keep in your wallet. It's got a laminate on it, so it'll last a little while, and it walks you through putting everything in here. So, and the main reason I point that out is when you put this in, the bottle of this cologne is meant to last about 4 months. So 4 months from now, you may forget how you actually got it in. So you may want to keep this handy. Put it in your wallet or put it in your glove box. They also give you a little card that talks about warranty, and it has a QR code on the back so that you can get an extended warranty. If you have problems, it lets you contact them 24/7. They want to make sure that you are happy, and I like that. That's a good sign of a great company. So how does this thing work? First of all, you're going to have a charging port in the back where you're going to plug in the USB-C right here. Okay, take your A. You're either going to have a plug that accepts that computer. In most cases, you're going to have this in your car already, so you can plug that directly in. If you're plugging it inside to charge, you may need a charging block like I have here. Now you're going to notice the ambient light that lights up. When it lights up blue, it is fully charged. When you first plug it in, it is going to probably be flashing red, letting you know that it is trying to charge. A full charge on this is meant to last about 60 days. Now keep in mind, you can plug this in your car and have it charging while you're driving around, and it will probably never run out. And if it does, and the car's not keeping up, pull it inside and put a good charge on it overnight and put it back in the next day. If you look at the actual top right here, you are going to see that you have an on, and then you have 3 different settings here. We're going to go through those settings because that is how you are going to adjust the actual amount of spray you put in your car. So I noticed one of the actual questions in the comments was, can you adjust the spray? Well, yes, you do adjust the spray, and it's going to be by those 3 little buttons in the very top. The first setting is going to be the smart mode. And now the smart mode is the only one that actually works off of a vibration. As long as it is detecting vibration in the car, it is going to continue to keep spraying. And how that works is it is going to spray 1 spray every 5 minutes. It'll last about 2 seconds. And it will do that continuously for up to 4 hours, and then it shuts down. The next mode we're going to talk about is considered strong. Now the strong mode does not work off the vibrations. It is just going to kind of be on a timer. It is going to do 1 squirt or spray for 2 seconds every 3 minutes. And it is going to do that continuously for 2 hours, and then it shuts down. Now the next one, or the last one I should say, is going to be the light. Now the light is going to do 1 spray of 2 seconds every 7 minutes, and it's going to do that for 2 hours, and then it shuts down. So that's basically your 3 choices as far as how much spray do I put out in my vehicle. So if you don't like a lot of cologne, you might want to try the light. If you like heavy cologne, if it's a work truck and you're trying to get rid of those odors, then you may want to go to the strong, so that you're going to do that one spray every 3 minutes and really, concentrate that smell in the car and really help with those odors. If you run through the cologne in 4 months and you need another bottle, they sell the bottles of cologne, so you can use this year round. You don't have to buy another unit. You just buy more of the cologne and put it in there. All right, so let's go ahead and let's insert the cologne. The first thing you're going to do is unscrew the top, set it over there. You're going to have a little plastic cap on it. Remove that. And now we're just going to simply untwist the base. And you have this part here that is going to go down in the cologne. Now, I accidentally turned mine on, so we're going to turn it off. We're going to go down, you put it in here, and you just screw it in. Just like that right there. And then we're going to take and put the base back on. See if I can get there we go. Sometimes you got to go back the other way a second to get it going. And now we are actually ready. And I will tell you, that scent is not strong at all. It actually smells really nice. I'm very impressed with the smell because I normally don't like a lot of cologne smells and things like that. I end up having sinus issues. So this is really nice, and I think this will definitely make the vehicle, smell great. So now all I have to do is take the little plug, my USB-C, and plug it into the car, set it in the holder, and now when I go to start up the vehicle, it's going to automatically kickstart the thing and get it running. So when you shut it off, it will shut off. If it is in that first mode, the smart mode, it's going to sense whether there's vibration or not. The others will just be on auto with that key ignition. All right, guys, I'm in my work truck. I've got my little mag charger here for my phone. I've got my power supply down here I use for everybody else's cell phone. And we have the unit. Now the unit, all you're going to do is you just take it and put it in one of your cup holders, and you'll take your USB-C to USB-A, plug it in, or if you have a USB-C cord, you can plug that in as well. And nothing is going to happen. It won't happen until we actually start the truck. When we start it, you should see the ambient blue light come on, and you're going to see the thing spray some of the spray. There you go, that quick, it's already spraying, and you can see the ambient light. Now you can use your buttons at the top and set which mode you want, whether you want it at that light high or you want it on that smart function. So that's all there is really to it. So it's really very, very quick and very easy. So there you go. Easy to make it work in the car. All you're going to do is plug in your USB-C and it's up and running, rocking and rolling. Super, super simple. If you want to change between the modes, you just push the little buttons on the top. That simple. If you've got it in the actual smart mode, it's going to sense the vibration. So if I was rating this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 because I think they've thought of everything, and I love the simplicity, and honestly, I love the look of it. And the smell is way better than I expected. So if you're wanting a good way to air freshen your car and make it smell better, say you've got a lot of contractors climbing in and out of the truck, hey, this is golden. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. And we will see you guys on the next review.